Namaskara, I am Dr. Raghunath. So I would like to tell you briefly about what is prostate cancer and what is robotic surgery, in what way it will benefit the patient. In our regular practice, we see 65 to 70% of them belong to prostate cancer because prostate cancer is on the rise. It is second commonest cancer amongst men, particularly in cities like Delhi, Bangalore and Pune. How to detect prostate cancer is very important because in stage 1, 2 and sometimes even in stage 3 prostate cancers, the person will not have any symptoms. The only way to detect prostate cancer is by doing what is called screening. So how do we check? We do a simple test called PSA. When we detect early stage, what are the treatment options? So I would be discussing the treatment options for stage 1, 2 and 3 prostate cancers. Stage 4 is metastatic prostate cancer, meaning to say it has gone outside the prostate into the bones. We cannot cure. First and second stage are potentially curable. Third stage, it is curable, but they may require multimodality treatment like surgery plus radiation. So coming to the surgery, how we used to do surgeries 15-20 years back, we used to do open surgery. Then came the laparoscopic surgery, or also called keyhole surgery. It means instead of making a big cut in the abdomen, we put small incisions. We put instruments called trocars. Laparoscopic surgery, the instruments will have limited movements. You can't move in any direction which you want to do precise surgery. So now the standard of care for radical prostatectomy or prostate cancer surgery in early stages, robotic surgery. What is robotic surgery? Using a technology or a Da Vinci robotic system, instead of doing putting hand instruments through the keyhole surgery, the principles of laparoscopy will be utilized. We call it as a ports. So unlike laparoscopic instruments, the robotic surgery just focus at the tip of this. So we can have this kind of movement with robotic surgery. So we can deflect the instrument in any desired manner. See, this is the scissor, how it is closing. We are cutting at right angles. So these miniature instruments will go and it rotates in any direction. It rotates by almost 540 degrees. You can make out this. It rotates by 540 degrees and it is called 7 degrees of freedom is there. So I can precisely cut and I can precisely suture. This is a scissor. This is to hold. This is pro-grasp instrument to retract. And to suture we have a similar instrument. So this instrument we call it as needle driver. This is to suture. So we use these instruments to perform surgery. So what these advantages translates to the patient? It translates to lesser blood loss. In our patient population, when we used to do open surgery before, almost the blood transfusion rates were 50%. Out of 100 patients, 50% used to get blood transfusions after this surgery, whereas with this robotic surgery, we have reduced from 50% to just 2%. Out of 100, only 2 of them will require blood transfusions. The biggest other advantage is the tissue trauma to the patient is very less. They get up next day and we can probably discharge in a day or 2. So early recovery is another advantage. With this robotic surgery, we can finally separate the sphincter or urine controlling muscles. We can separate the prostate and remove without causing much damage to the sphincteric area, so that the urine leakage or stress urinary incontinence will be significantly less compared to open surgery or even laparoscopic surgery. That is one. Second, for sexual function, for men, erections are very important. So to have good erections even after surgery, we need to preserve the neurovascular bundle or the nerves which are required for erections. So those nerves run just 1 to 2 millimeter behind the prostate. So to preserve those fine nerves, we need 10 times magnification. With these miniature instruments, with a precise dissection, we can separate those nerves from the prostate without causing much damage to the neurovascular bundle, so that the outcome would be better in terms of sexual function. So this is the advantage of robotic system and the robotic surgery. So it is good for the patient and it is also good for the surgeons. We can do final surgeries, we can do more number of surgeries without damaging our shoulders, without hurting ourselves. Even sometimes if you are standing and doing the surgery, a lot of surgeons would get back pain, chronic spondylitis, chronic back pain, fatigue, all those problems will be there. With robotic surgery, all those things can be eliminated. So these are the advantages of robotic surgery for radical prostatectomy or prostate cancer surgery in stage 1, 2 and 3.